Good afternoon everyone. My name is Yavant and I am in 9th standard. Today I want to tell you about global warming. Do you know what is global warming? Yes, Vashika, stand up. What is global warming?
Global warming, as we all know, increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. This gradually increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to greenhouse effects.
Yes, correct. Global warming refers to the Earth's increased temperature, which is due to the human activities like burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and polluting rivers and industrial process. First of all is burning of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels mean that burning of oil, burning of petrol, burning of natural gases. Next is deforestation. Deforestation means the cutting of trees and destruction of forests. Number 3, industrial process. Industrial process refers to the manufacturing and productions of activities like production and productivity, and some industrial processes like refining oil, etc. These activities reduces the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and monoxide, which is harmful to increasing temperature and climate change. These gases harm our ecosystem, Earth, atmosphere, and future. Next topic is consequences of global warming. Do you know what are the consequences of global warming? Don't worry, I will tell you the consequences of global warming. The consequences of global warming are melting of glaciers, extreme weather, melting of ice caps, increasing of sea level, flooding the coastal areas, and negative impact to the human health are some consequences of global warming. Next is solution of global warming. Do you know what are the solution of global warming? Don't worry, I will tell you what are the solution of global warming. The solution of global warming are we should grow more trees and do not cut trees. We should use less energy and we should use renewable energy like solar light and wind. So okay, that's all about today. Do you understand this topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will ask some question from you. Okay, Devan, stand up. What are the causes of global warming?
Causes of global warming are deforestation and burning of fossil fuels.
Okay, sit down. Okay, Nipun, stand up. What are the solutions of global warming?
We should use less energy, we should plant trees and protect forest.
Okay, sit down. Correct. Thank you and have a nice day.